Welcome to my presentation. In this presentation, we shall see how to solve simple examples using the laws of exponents. So let us see if we can simplify this particular example. We want to multiply x to the power of 5 times x to the power of 4. That is the question we have. So we want to simplify that. So as a solution, we'll follow these steps. We want to first recognize which rule we want to use to be able to simplify this particular example. So isn't this in the form x to the power of m times x to the power of n? And the law of exponent is telling us that as long as the bases are the same, we're going to write the base ones, and then we're going to combine the powers like that. So what we have here in this example is x to the power of 5 times x to the power of 4. So since the bases are the same, we can write the base ones, and then we can add the powers, 5 plus 4. Therefore, we can write this one as x to the power of 9. Therefore, x to the power of 9 is our answer. That's where we want to leave it. Let's look at another example. Let's say this time we want to simplify this particular expression, y times y to the power of 2 times y to the power of 3 times y to the power of 4, just as an example. Okay, so how do we solve this? Step number 1, as long as the bases are the same, we can write the base ones, and then we can combine the powers. The rule we're going to use here is this, isn't it? We're going to use the product rule, x to the power of m times x to the power of n. This is the rule. As long as the bases are the same, write the base ones and then combine the powers. We're going to add the powers, add the exponents or the powers. In our example here, we have y times y to the power of 2 times y to the power of 3 times y to the power of 4. Now, I want to clarify here, when we say y, when we have a term y, it means y to the power of 1. It is y to the power of 1. So therefore, I'm going to write it as y to the power of 1 here because of this particular thing. Since the bases are all the same, I can write the base ones and then just combine the powers. What are the powers I have? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. I want to clarify this. When we do not have anything here, it does not mean it is 0. It does not mean it is 0. When we do not have anything written up there, it means it is y to the power of 1. The ones are implied. The power of 1 is implied. Okay? So therefore, we're going to just simplify this expression. Y to the power of 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10. So therefore, this expression, y times y to the power of 2 times y to the power of 3 times y to the power of 4 simplifies to y to the power of 10. Okay, good. So let us see if we can apply these the laws of exponents to one more example in here. Let's take this example. Let me write in another color. This is an example. We want to simplify a to the power of 2, b to the power of 3. This is multiplied to a to the power of 4 times b. Right? So as a solution, we'll break it down into these different steps. We want to, by looking at this example, we have a's in the first set of parentheses and we have a's in the second set of parentheses. We have b's in the first set of parentheses. We have b's in the second set of parentheses. So we will write all the a's together. We will write all the b's together. So we have a to the power of 2 times a to the power of 4. Since all of this is being multiplied, it doesn't matter there is no addition or subtraction going on here, so it's all multiplication. So I am writing the terms which have the same base together, times b to the power of 3 times b means b to the power of 1. So what we have done here is we have combined or written the terms which have the same base. Why? Because we know something. We know, we'll write it as step 2. Let me write in this black color. In step 2, we know this rule. If we have x to the power of m and then x to the power of n, as long as the bases are the same, we can write the base ones and then combine the powers. Therefore, since a to the power of 2 and a to the power of 4 have the same base, we can write the base ones, and then I'll write that as step number 3. And then combine the powers. The powers we have is 2 plus 4 times b to the power of 3 and then b to the power of 1. The bases are the same, we write the base ones and we combine the powers, 3 plus 1. And now we are ready to simplify this. So we have a to the power of 2 plus 4 is 6 times b to the power of 3 plus 1 is 4. And that is where we leave it. Since a is a different term and b is a different term, the bases are not the same and therefore we cannot combine it. We have to leave it this way. If the bases are different, we cannot combine them. We will be going against the law. So therefore, a to the power of 6 times b to the power of 4 is where we want to leave it. So this is the way we want to use the laws of exponents to simplify these types of examples. In my next presentation, we shall see more examples using the laws of exponents.